Hello friends, it's Smartie the Alpaca. Today, we're going to learn about colors with some amazing race cars. Are you ready to meet the cars and have a fun race? Let's meet our race cars. First, we have the red car. Red is the color of apples and fire trucks. Can you say red? Next, we have the blue car. Blue is the color of the sky and the ocean. Can you say blue? Here comes the yellow car. Yellow is the color of the sun and bananas. Can you say yellow? And this is the green car. Green is the color of grass and frogs. Can you say green? Now we have the orange car. Orange is the color of carrots and pumpkins. Can you say orange? Last but not least, we have the purple car. Purple is the color of grapes and lavender. Can you say purple? Now that we've met all the colorful cars, it's time for the race. Let's see who will win. On your marks. Get set. Go. Look at the red car go. Now the blue car is in the lead. Wow, the yellow car is catching up. It's such an exciting race with all these bright colors. Wow, the green car won the race. Great job, everyone! Let's give a big cheer for all our colorful race cars. That was so much fun! We learned about red, blue, yellow, green, orange, and purple. Do you remember all the colors? Let's say them together. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple. Repeat after me to remember all of the colors. Red car, racing fast. Speeding by us, what a blast! Blue car, see it go. Racing fast and racing slow. Yellow car, bright and fun. Zooming beneath the yellow sun. Green car, racing past. In the lead and going fast. Orange car, bold and bright. Racing hard with all its might. Purple car, here it comes. Racing, having fun. All the cars in colors bright. Racing, day and night. Learning colors is such fun. With Smartie and cars, it's #1. Great job, everyone! Thanks for racing with us and learning about colors today. See you next time for more fun adventures with Smartie the Alpaca. Bye-bye!